Alrighty guys, Revolutions PM here with your host Nick, and today I got a 69 Mustang. Now everybody be like, oh, these came with a 351. However, that's false. This baby got a 390. Actually just did intake gaskets. They were leaking from the end seals pretty bad. About a year ago I did a clutch on here as well. So I'll give you a fire up, see what happens. Inside, got that slick 60s, early 70s chain steering wheel. Okay, we are neutral. Turn the key. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Oil pressure. Look at that baby purr. Gonna need a fan shroud, but hey. So it has come to my attention that this thing is what's known as an S code. You take a look at the VIN. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is an S in there, and basically what that means is 390 with the 4-speed, and that's exactly what this thing is. It's kind of hack. I did not do this work. I don't know who did, but man, this baby runs, and let me tell you something, it drops. It moves pretty fast for what it is, being a big block and everything, and this baby moves. So it's a cool car. You know, we got a couple suspension components we got to replace. The shocks are done, both rear and front. I'm really digging the louvers on here. Another thing is this window doesn't roll up correctly. Minor details, minor details. This carburetor is starting to seep a little bit on the tube that goes to the secondary bowl. There's a small seep, but you know what? It's gonna need a rebuild, but this customer's not ready for that yet. I've completely just finished the intake manifold gasket, so I didn't put the struts on here yet. I had to hear it how it sounds, and this baby sounds pretty good. One thing that's really interesting with this thing is go underneath, take a quick gander. That's the oil pan right there, and those are the headers. The ground clearance for this is quite minimal. So going over train tracks and bumps or whatnot is a little sketch, but you know what? It's pretty cool for what it is. Yeah, 69 Mustang Mach 1, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Revolutions PM out.